Ready or not, your facility must prepare to reopen. Are you confident in your disinfection protocols? Is your staff comfortable with their cleaning approach? Are your customers convinced that the building is safe? Introducing GBAC Star, a facility accreditation program from the Global Biorisk Advisory Council, or GBAC. GBAC is a division of ISSA, the leading trade association for the cleaning industry worldwide. Together, we're committed to changing the way the world views cleaning and improving cleaning standards for the benefit of public health. GBAC Star is a performance-based accreditation program that helps facilities establish a comprehensive system for cleaning, disinfection, and infectious disease prevention. GBAC Star empowers facilities to reopen confidently following the coronavirus pandemic. GBAC Star is the gold standard of safe facilities and the cleaning industry's only outbreak preparation, response, and recovery accreditation. Who uses GBAC Star? The GBAC Star program is for all types of facilities like offices, restaurants, hotels, airports, convention centers, stadiums, and other public venues. Accredited facilities can assure their customers and instill confidence in their staff that they follow the proper cleaning, disinfection, and infectious disease prevention practices to protect their health and safety. What are the benefits of a GBAC Star accredited facility? A GBAC Star facility commits to employing strict protocols for cleaning and disinfection. A GBAC Star facility demonstrates it has appropriate work practices, procedures, and documented systems in place. A GBAC Star facility instills the confidence that the building has been cleaned and disinfected to the highest standards and is safe for business. With GBAC Star, you are open for business. Gain confidence in your disinfection protocols, empower and properly train staff, provide a safe and trusting environment for customers. GBAC Star. We'll help you recover from this crisis and prepare you for the next one.